and today we're gonna make Castella cake in a rice cooker. We don't have an oven, as you can see, and it's not so common to have an oven in small office-tels in Korea. Those of you who don't have an oven, there's still hope at the end of the tunnel. Just use your rice cooker. To make a Castella cake, one hack is to use a muffin mix. We're gonna need 300 grams, but we're gonna make it from scratch because it's easy. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1.5 cups of flour. 1 cup in and another half cup. We need 3/4 cups of sugar. We're gonna use 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup. 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup in. And guys, we're gonna be using baking powder and not soda. I repeat, don't use baking soda. And we're gonna use 2 teaspoons. Second one in. 1/2 teaspoon of salt in. Whisk it up. 2 tablespoons of butter and microwave it for about 1 minute. We're gonna crack up 3 eggs. 3. Just microwaved it, about 1/2 of this into our egg mix. And then whisk. We're gonna add 2 cups of muffin mix in. And I'm just gonna put it over a sift. So beautiful, snow sprinkles.
Is that how you measure, Katie?
Hold on. In. And then sift through it. 1/3 cup of milk. In. Seems like I need to put this in a bigger bowl. Alright, just give it a mix. I know some of you have that little machine gun to mix it, but I don't. I'm gonna go with the old style, the analog style, but it's much more fun. Okay, so don't over whip it. It's not so thick. It's kind of like a little bit fluid, like that. Remember, we have half the butter left. We're gonna use this to coat the inside of the rice cooker bowl. Done. Yeah, that's it, girl. So you don't want air bubbles, so just give it a couple of taps. Okay, so we want to cook it on jim, which is steaming, to 40 minutes. Then over here, 취사, start. See you in 40 minutes and pray in the meantime. Alright, that's the sound. Do-do-do-do-do. Wow! Look at that color. Wow!
Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, so soft too. Let me open it up. Let me do a small piece, cake out.
That's huge.
It's small, I'm so hungry. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Guys, look how squishy it is. Nice and airy. Let me try it on. So tasty. And enjoy with a glass of milk. Come back. But milk?
That's so lame.
몰라. Cheers to the rice cooker creator.